maybe one of the buildings we can't go to. True. Norborn and Berkeley. It's the lecture room. Who would have thought?
Yeah, well, in a real says, how do you define success? Or like, what's the real definition of success? Get back to me in 25 minutes. Which I think is a great quote. Yeah, I don't know. I always like, I never did go on medicine questions, but like,
yeah, the timeline is kind of. Got the full regalia on. Yeah. I'll get closer to this. Not too far away from this lens. Oh, my kingdom for a zoom lens.
begin their march upon the town of York. And there we shall besiege our enemy, Lord Cornwallis. And by the grace of God above, we shall have the greatest victory in this war to date. So, my dear friends, on this glorious occasion, as so many brave soldiers prepare to march into harm's way, perhaps never to return again, and for all of those soldiers who have fought, who have died, who have served this great nation, let us applaud them all! Now, I know you grow tired of this war, for no one grows more tired of this war than these brave soldiers who fight this war. And I can recall first hearing of this noble city of Williamsburg before the first shots were fired at Lexington and at Concord, for was it not your last royal governor? And I promise you, he shall be your last royal governor, who made his way down the main street, and there before the former Capitol building, he did dissolve your House of Burgesses, your voice in government. But would you, my dear Virginians, would you remain quiet for long? No. Indeed not. For first you would rise up as Virginians.
Captain, commence with the musket and bayonet exercise. The men will be practicing using Lord Edward Harvey's 17 and 64 manual alarms, approved for all of Virginia's forces at the beginning of this war. smooth-bore muskets with triangular bayonets. The muskets fire a single ball and have an effective range of up to 80 yards. When fired in unison or in volley, they have a range of over 200 yards in open ground.
Well done, men.
The men will now practice with the artillery. Captain, take care to exercise the artillery. Have the men fire 2 rounds in battery, one using the parade drill, the other as if upon the field of battle. Done, Sergeant. Ram down, charge!
Charge pace! Ram down, charge!
Fish!
Tack!
Try!
Ride! Got 3 loaded, sir.
Battery fire, right to left. Gunners, tank, ready. 2, fire! These mobile guns are light 3-pounders mounted on grasshopper.
Okay.
Battery fire, all guns. Gunners, tank, ready. Give, fire!
Search pace!
Wow. Okay. Perfect.
Yeah.